Hey, little red running John.
Howdy,
Go
how
for
are
a
you?
run?
Sure, I think so. You know, I've been looking at that stuff, and you know, teacher, just shoot your keyboard.
Yeah.
That stuff's really a waste of. Well, I don't think you're supposed to like.
Wrong
inhale
one.
it. I think it says right now in the warnings. I don't think you're supposed to inhale bullets either.
Do not inhale.
You! Oh, wrong person. Sorry about that. You! I want you to feed that bird.
You better do what the man says.
I am.
Oh. Run!
Oh. Oh, God. Ow! Ow! Oh, God, you're kidding me. Whew. That bird, man. Ding, 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 ding. Pow! 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 Pow!
Ah, fuck. Oh no, it's the fox.
Wait!
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
I'm, taking a break.
I didn't expect that.
Kind of tired. You run really good, you know? Did you ever join track in high school?
Yeah. I was the best Star Fox ever.
Nice.
Hey, I'm kind of hot and thirsty. Can I have a sip of that?
Oh, I'm sorry, but even I can't have a sip of it. It's for my grandma.
Well, ding dong.
I know. I'm thirsty too, man.
Well, have a great day.
You too. That guy's a nice fella, you know.
I'm so thirsty. Oh, I wonder if there's a drink in here.
Ooh! Purified drinking water.
Whoa. Me? My camera? I want you to feed the bird.